In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil life on a 2021 Chrysler Voyager. Pretty simple process once you know what you're doing. The first thing you're going to do is, without pressing the brake pedal, you're going to go to the run position on the vehicle. So I'm going to hit this twice. Now the vehicle is in run. It's not actually on. And then I'm going to use the directional pad to navigate through the different options on here. So I'm going to press the down arrow until you get to vehicle information. Then I'm going to press the right button until I get over to oil life. Once I get to oil life, I'm going to push and hold on the OK button right here. And once I do that, it resets it to 100%. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.